Well, now that you're spending so much time at home, both working and staying in, perhaps you're thinking about doing some renovations. In fact, home renos are up when it comes to home offices, backyards, and bathrooms. General contractor Peter Glaw joins us now to tell us more and also how you can save money by managing your own reno during lockdown. Peter, thanks for joining us.
You're welcome. Good morning, Pooja.
Morning. Look, I got to ask you right off the top before we get into sort of the trends and what everybody's doing is it really possible for me, someone like me who's not handy at all, has no experience, to be my own contractor?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Basically a contractor is just an orchestrator of trades. So if we teach you how to be your own contractor, you can be it. It's not a problem at all.
Okay, and what are people doing right now? I mentioned some of the trends, but let's start with the basement, for instance. What are people doing to their basements these days?
Pooja, the basement's a big demand right now because the people are home, the kids are home, the adults are home. So they're creating home offices downstairs with USB ports and computer setups. There's home gyms and there's home theaters going in everywhere, fireplaces. It's a real comfortable second living area.
And what about the kitchen? Because you would think for the most part, your kitchen is your kitchen. Why is people being at home now suddenly they're looking to their kitchen to improve it?
Well, what's happening? They're spending a lot more time at home, so more cooking, more entertainment for their family. And we see a lot of touchless faucets going in, so people love to touch things and just a complete kitchen makeover that people are thinking of doing. And finally, you know what? They're not spending their money anywhere else, so they figured, let's spend my money at home, and I'm going to get my money back out of it when I sell. Yeah.
Okay, what about when it comes to bathrooms?
Same thing with bathrooms. We have a bathroom. We have a bit of a bathroom spa type of thing going on with a lot of natural tiles going in and larger seamless and even curbless showers for people that are handicapped.
Yeah, and what about when it comes to home offices, or in some cases, I've even heard people talking about making their own classroom for their kids for remote learning.
Yeah, absolutely. We have a lot of home offices going in, and they're either combined in an area in the basement, or if the house is large enough, then it's a separate room for the people. And then many times we have a separate room for where their kids have a complete computer set up, and they can do all their home learning in their own privacy.
Yeah, I guess the dining room table wasn't really cutting it for a lot of people. I know even for me in the summer, looking for an outdoor heater became impossible to find because people started to turn their minds to their backyards and being in their backyards even past the summer season.
Yeah, it's a good thing you mentioned that. We see a lot of that because we had lockdown last spring, and then during the summer we were asked to stay home a lot. So with the kids being home all the time, the adults were creating the backyards into a real fun place. We've got pools going in, we've got fireplaces, outside kitchens, heated areas for the adults to hang out at, outside televisions, a complete new entertainment area.
Now, I mentioned that off the top here that you say you can be your own contractor. You also have a book that supports this. It's called How to Be Your Own General Contractor. And so for people who want to maybe get their hands on it, what will they get from this book?
Basically, the book is going to tell you everything you need to know about how to be your own general contractor, and right from A to Z. So by the time you're done with the book and a little bit of consulting from us, you'll be able to handle your own renovations without a problem.
All right. Well, I encourage everyone to get the book. It's called How to Be Your Own General Contractor. Peter, thank you for joining us. We appreciate your time this morning.
Thank you very much, Pooja. Have a good day.
You too.